Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I am making peanuts coconut laddu with the help of ghee. And peanuts have lots of vitamins, percentage and daily based 2000 calories of diet you can imagine. And jaggery is very helpful to the youngsters, and it is mainly used for diet when it is compared to the sugar, and children like the jaggery very well, and it is affect little bit cold when compared to the sugar. Let's check the recipe what I am adding. Jaggery 130 grams, peanuts 250 grams, coconut powder 20 grams, and ghee 2 spoons. Only 4 ingredients is enough for coconut peanuts laddu. Let's peanuts roast it nicely, then keep it in a side and make it a powder. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First take the peanuts and take the vessel, roast it nicely. Roast it on a low flame and don't burn it. Roast it like this nicely, don't overburn, and cool it. Next remove the little bit of shells. Next take the coconut powder, roast it nicely, little brown color, this also. You can see coconut roasted little brown. It is enough for the laddu, and keep it in a side. Remove the peanut shell, how much you can remove, and next add into the jar and jaggery. And make a fine powder. Your daily values may be higher or lower depending on your calories need. Due to corona, improve your immunity system. You can encourage to eat peanuts, and jaggery is very higher proteins and low fat too. And once again mix it nicely with the ladle, and again mix it. Make it a fine paste. Now it is in coarse powder. Okay. If you have any doubts, once check it's coming or not. Wow, it's getting binding method, you can see. So mix it again one more time. Okay, it's done. It's little bit soft coarse powder. Don't mix over and don't very coarsey powder also. Medium soft. First of all, take the vessel and add peanut and jaggery, roasted peanut and jaggery powder. Next add coconut powder, roasted, and at last add ghee, 2 tablespoons. Then mix it nicely. If you have any lumps, you can check it once before making laddus. Take the serving plate, make the laddus. See how I am doing. Make small laddus, rounds. It is easy to make and it is healthy too for children. Avoid these junk snacks items when you are going outside. Make the peanuts and coconut, it is for immunity power too, and you are adding at last one more laddu is there and it's totally finishing. Press like this, you can hold it. It will come very easily. You can practice until success. Wow, it's done. Aha. Finally, coconut peanut laddu is ready and now I am tasting. For binding, you can hold it very tight. It will easily don't come. coconut flavor and ghee and peanut, nice combination. Thanks for watching.